That's okay. Yeah.
Are they shut at the moment, Mike?
Yeah.
Well,
yeah, it's pretty noisy, isn't it?
Better? Better.
I think trolling Nick Brace worked. Haha, you loser.
Much better, Nick.
Sick. That is so pointlessly fantastic.
What do you think, Mr. William?
Pretty good, pretty good. Can't wait for mine.
I should explain. William is getting his M2 in the next couple of weeks. Nick, we've been trolling for about a month, 5 years. Ever since he bought that car, we've been like, get a Remus on it. So today's the final day, here we go.
So good.
It's a bollock, isn't it? It really is.
What do you think?
Oh, this is fantastic.
Sounds so good.
It's fantastic, isn't it? God, I'm such a child.
I think. Oh, little burbles.
Can't help yourself, can you? It's so good.
Customer satisfaction level high.
Solid.
Yeah.
I've explained to everyone on the YouTubes about the situation that we put him through.
We have to explain, yes. So we're
No, I've already explained.
So what's the next thing we've got to troll him on? Power riser.
Remus power riser and a pipe across the armpit.
Gonna start. No houses. No.
No, he doesn't need trolling. He's up for it.
No, he's up for it anyway. Yeah, exactly.
We just got to talk to your missus though, because she's not liking it.
Hopefully Mike's got the